Hello everyone, so we'll be seeing how we can execute your PHP code in Ubuntu machine, since we have lab externally after tomorrow and we will not be having Windows. We are not allowed to use Windows machine basically, so we'll be seeing how we can run your PHP code in Ubuntu machine. So there are two ways actually. First of all, you can install the XAMPP in Ubuntu as well. But we don't do that because the Apache server which is required is already pre-installed in Ubuntu, so you can directly run in your terminal. So we'll see how you can do this. So basically, first if you want in XAMPP, what we do is you go to a specific folder and you store all your PHP files, right, which has to be run. So same thing we do over here also. So what you have to do is first you have to go inside your computer from other. You have to click on other location, this one, and you go into your computer. Then you go into this folder, that is var. Okay. Then you have to go inside this www folder, and then you have to go inside this HTML. And over here you see all your folders which you put in htdocs. Basically you have to put it over here inside HTML. So you can access this either by using file, or basically you can use this Ubuntu terminal which is always there. Okay, so for doing that, see, you have to go into the root folder. That is, you have to specify cd then slash. Okay, that means now you are in a root folder. Now inside this, from here you have to go to var, then you have to go to www, then you have to go to HTML. Okay, remember this. First you go to the root cd /, then you go to var, cd var, then www and HTML. Now we are inside this folder HTML. Basically you can do ls. You see all the folders which is visible over here, you will do it. Same thing you can do, open in terminal. This will open with this path. Okay. So whichever you feel easy, you do that. Now the next thing is to create a file. So if you want to create a file, you cannot create directly over here. So you can use this terminal itself. So we have created the file in C and Java labs, right? Same way you have to create gedit. Then one good practice is, before creating, let's practice that we create one folder so that we don't mess it up. So we can create a folder named as lab. Okay, now we want to go inside this, so cd lab. Now we want to create a file that is named gedit. Now let's say we got program 8, so you can give any name, gedit program8.php. so this will open a file, okay, where you can write your PHP code basically. So just make sure this path is same. Okay, so now we will start writing PHP code. Okay. Basic thing, echo, we'll see whether it is working or not. Hello world. Semicolon is must, and you have to end it with this, otherwise PHP will start screaming. Let's say save it. Now we'll go into just minimize it. Fine. Now if you want to check, so you go to the localhost, right? So we'll go to the localhost. Now inside this localhost we have created a file called as lab. So you have to go inside that. You will see, so basically you will see only one folder over here, but since I have many files, you are seeing this much files. Then you have to open this program8.php. you see the hello world has been created. So if we edit something over here, say hello world instead of save it, then we'll refresh it. You see it getting refreshed. So this is the way how you access the PHP through in Ubuntu machines. And one more thing is which is out of the context is close it. In case if you want to check whether your Apache server is running or not, you can do sudo service Apache to status. This is just for understanding, you don't have to do it. So enter your password. Now you see active status running, so this means that the Apache is running. But in case if it's not running, what you can simply do is you can start this sudo service Apache to start. So this will actually start your Apache 2 server, which you can access it over here. And coming to the HTML folders, you can create your HTML code anywhere. So basically it doesn't require that you create your HTML code in inside this inside a var or inside this HTML folder. You can also create in desktop itself. So I will go to desktop. Okay, now I will gedit. Let's say if I got first program, run1.html. It is opening this. Wait a second. Now you can just simply type the HTML code over here. I'll quickly type something. Body h1 hello world. Again close the body. Okay, then save it. Now if in case you want to run this, okay, you just directly go to your desktop or wherever you have save this file. Okay, you can save it in the localhost also, but it's in HTML file doesn't require to save it in localhost. You can save it anywhere, and then you have to just open it. It will open it in your desktop like this. So only if you get a PHP code a program, then make sure that you open it in or use this path itself, that is which I mentioned in the before where. So if you have any doubts, then you can contact Dixit, or else contact me. We can help you out. That's all. See ya.